Good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from the Rustic log cabin in northern Maine. Welcome to my channel. Today I need to make a pot for two of my rifles. And I'm going to make it right here at the shop. This pot will be a piece of survival equipment as well as a useful piece of equipment for this rifle. And probably only, I would say country people, country boy will survive technique. I can't imagine too many country boys not knowing this trick, but I thought it'd be kind of neat to share with everyone else. The pot that I need to build for this rifle, if I was to buy it, it would cost about $40. I've got two rifles to do today, so that would be $80 at the gun store. And like I said, this pot is twofold. It's not only a pot for the rifle, but it's a piece of survival equipment here at the Rustic log cabin. So stick around for this video. I think you'll find this one interesting. Now what I need for my rifles is some rain gear. So this is a piece of inner tube off a car. We're going to cut about 2 inches straight across. Just like that. I'm just going to square this up just a little bit because a car inner tube is round. Now, this right here will work, but it's awful strong to be able to put on the gun. So what I do is I cut a half moon right here. See that? Half moon. And I'll flip it over and do the same thing. Yeah. See what I got? Takes 2 seconds to make. And that's a $40 pot. Here's my rifle. Now to put this on, all you do is put this over the top of the scope, pull it back, and you got yourself a scope cover. For free, right out of the workshop. When I set in my ground blinds, I usually have my rifles up like this, and that keeps rain from landing on here. Now if I get a deer, very simple to just pop it off. And I told you in the beginning of this video that this was also a survival piece of equipment. This is an inner tube. This will catch fire with a Bic lighter or a flint and steel lighter that you hear me talk about. This is a piece of inner tube. So if you found yourself hunting and found yourself lost, not only do you got your rifle, but you got a great piece of fire starter for a wet night in the woods. So all I'll do now with this is I've got some cleaner. I will run some cleaner over that piece of tube, and I've saved myself $40 per rifle, and I also have a fire starter. How does this save me $40? Well, I normally used to buy the individual covers that slid over each end that pop up when you touch them. You can also see through them, but I've never needed. I would never shoot a deer that way, anyways. But you could hit the buttons and pop them. But you know, to me, that's I kind of growed out of that now. And not only that, each end was $20 a piece. So that's how I arrive at my $40. And you have to have the proper scope size, which isn't a big deal, but you got to size everything up. This right here is something that I have on hand. I kind of think it goes along with my lifestyle, and at the same time I'm making something from nothing, and it saves me $40 per gun. So there it is. my fire starter and my scope cover all in one, free from the Rustic Log Cabin Workshop. A gun without a bullet is nothing more than a paperweight. So, I will see you in the next one. Throw me a bone, would you? Reach over and hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. Give me a thumbs up if you like today's video, and I will see you in the next one.